The AI revolution is right at our doorstep. Technology is rapidly changing and transforming every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to education, finance to manufacturing, everything is being shaped by artificial intelligence. This revolution isn't just a novelty, it's a full-on transformation. New jobs are emerging, while some old ones are disappearing. But this change brings not only opportunities but serious responsibilities. Ethical questions, security concerns, and the correct use of data will define our future. As AI begins to enter our lives more and more, we need to ask ourselves how prepared we really are. As technology races ahead, we have to figure out how to keep up and steer it in the right direction. So, how do we steer this revolution? The first step is understanding the technology and knowing how to leverage it. While AI is a powerful tool, how we use it is entirely up to us. In this process, we must not forget our ethical responsibilities. How do we collect our data? What algorithms are we using? We need to answer these questions honestly and transparently. Additionally, by embracing AI's development, we can push people towards more creative and valuable work. This way, while machines handle repetitive tasks, humans can focus on jobs that require higher value and creativity. In other words, by using technology correctly, we can create the most efficient collaboration between humans and machines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. We've got more exciting videos coming your way, so stay tuned. The future is ours.